Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, what I want to talk about is why I love market manipulation. All right? Now, this may be counterintuitive, but we're going to get into it, man, because I've learned to actually love market manipulation because it actually makes trading easier for me, right? So we're going to get into it, man. What I want to say is, man, I appreciate everybody rocking with me, right, on this YouTube channel, on this journey, right? We almost at 5,000 subscribers. So if y'all are watching, be sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel, okay? Now, with that being said, right, if you guys could understand the power of manipulation in the market, you're gonna make so much more money. And I'm gonna show you how, okay? And break it down for you. Nothing that I say in this video is financial advice though. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to go talk to a licensed financial advisor, all right? So, with that being said, y'all, I remember like last year, I started seeing the market selling off crazy, and then 3 days later it's going crazy to the upside. And I was like, this is market manipulation. This is criminal. And then I saw it again. And then I saw it again. Then I saw it again. And I said, let me really look into this. Let me take a step back. Let me slow down. Because if this keeps happening, it obviously is for a reason, right? And now I wait for the manipulation to happen. And it makes it so much clearer for me, right? So here's what I want you guys to understand. A couple things. There's a difference between knowing how to trade and understanding how the market moves. Okay? That's the difference. Knowing how to trade versus understanding how the market moves. If you know how to trade, you don't necessarily understand how the market moves. And knowing how to trade isn't necessarily going to help you understand how the market moves. You're going to be trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. But when you understand how the market moves, you could be an average, mediocre trader and make money. Right? You could be an average trader and make money because understanding how the market moves makes you a better trader, but being a good trader doesn't help you understand how the market moves. So you really need to understand how to focus on understanding how the market moves more than you're focusing on trading. And when I say being a good trader and focusing on trading, what I'm saying is only focusing on candlesticks. Only focusing on candlesticks. If that's the only thing that you're focused on, is just the candlesticks, you're doing yourself a disservice. Because you're going to be the type of person who says, stop loss this, right? Oh, you're going to be very rigid is what I'm saying. But when you understand how the market moves, you're going to understand that not everything is black and white. Not everything is stop loss, right? And when you can understand how the market moves, you're going to be able to put yourself in a better position. You're going to be able to put yourself in better positions, aka trades. And in turn, you're going to be able to make more money. Right? So that's the first thing I wanted to say. Focus on understanding how the market moves over only focusing on being a good trader. Now, over the past year and some change, I put out over 600, 700 videos on YouTube. I highly recommend you to go through all of my videos that I've posted. It will help you understand how the market moves. And in turn, it will make you a better trader. right? The stuff goes deep. So now, once I started to understand how the market moves, I started to realize, like, dang, before a big move happens, there's always manipulation. So instead of saying, oh, the market is manipulated, it's like, duh. It's manipulated, right? And what's the saying? If you can't beat them, join them, right? I cannot beat the market. I cannot beat the market makers. Neither can you. But you know what you can do? You could join them. Get in the trades when they get in the trades. Get in the trades when they get in the trades. That's all you got to do. That is all you got to do. Understand how to recognize a manipulated stock market or a manipulated move. And then once you understand how to identify that, that's when you could get in on the right side of the trade. But let me tell you where people mess up. Where they mess up is they fear drawdown more than they are pursuing financial freedom. Most people don't like drawdown. They don't like drawdown. They're not comfortable with drawdown. When I say drawdown, what I mean is watching their money go up and down that they're in a trade. And because most people don't like seeing that, the first hint of that, what do? They close their position and they lose their money. Not understanding that a lot of the times the stock market is setting up to go in the direction of the trade that they're in. Right? So, let's go to an example. This is Walmart, but let's go to IWM, right? It's about understanding this concept of buyers, right? I've been talking to you guys about this. I told y'all, be aware of all these buyers down here. I told you guys about SPY, right? On SPY, same exact thing. Be aware of all these buyers down here, right? That's what I told you guys. Now, people that don't have this tool, Lux Algo, that I always talk about, people that don't have this tool, they cannot see this. So what happens is they see this, they get into puts, and they don't understand that this is a setup to go up here. I told you guys on last night's live, I told you guys we were going to be going up today. I told y'all. I told you guys we were going to be going up today. And what happened? We went up. Why did we go up? Because I knew that there were way too many buyers at these areas and the market structure was holding. And then when we sold off yesterday, we popped right back up before the close of day, and we created all these bull flags on the 30-minute and the hourly time frame. So because I saw all of that, I knew we were going up today. I saw the manipulation. So when you start to look at the market from this perspective, it helps you understand how the market moves, and it helps you understand the games that the market makers play. If you wanted to get rich in a game that is buy low and sell high, would you say, hey, let me go buy at the top and try to push it higher? Or would you say, hey, let me go make the price come down lower, scare everybody, and I could get in the price lower so I could ride it back up? Which one would you do? That's what they're doing. That is what they are doing. All right? So it's imperative for you to really get this into your brain, into your understanding, so it could help you with the execution. But a lot of times we take an L and we get so traumatized. What happens? We get so traumatized that what? Now we're like, you know what? I don't trust this. But when you look at the market from this perspective, you will trust it because you'll know what's going on. And this is why I now love market manipulation. So if you got cooked on puts because you swung puts because you thought the market was going down, I highly recommend you to come join the Discord. Come trade with us next week, right? Come trade with us. Come learn the system that we have. We figured it out. We cracked the code. We cracked the code. We cracked the freaking code, y'all. And we go into the promised land of infinite profits. You just got to trust, right? So I hope that this video helps you guys out. Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry, all right? Y'all have a great day. I'm gonna holler at you guys on next video. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.